Oppo has announced O3, a pair of truly wireless headphones designed to pair with the Find X smartphone recently introduced by the company's slide camera. O3 is based on Qualcomm's recently announced QCC3026 chipset, designed to make it easier for manufacturers to make cheaper truly wireless headphones without having to build them entirely on their own, as well as being a cheaper option than Qualcomm's QCC5100 chipset, which he announced at the beginning of the year at CES. The O3 headphones will also feature Qualcomm's TrueWireless stereo technology for better power management and connectivity. Oppo says the O3 headphones offer 4 hours of music for free, with the load/transport box capable of offering an additional 12 hours of listening time. And like the Find X, the O3 comes with red and blue options to match your companion phone.